All right, so I had to hang up with the wife. Because now I hear knocking at the back door, right? So let's go see who's knocking at the back door. Who could it possibly be knocking at the back door? Let's see. Uh-huh. It's him again. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay, buddy. This is on like Donkey Kong. Just hold on right there, buddy. I got something for your ass. Yeah. These, peacocks are quite the handful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see how they feel about whole wheat bread. All right? The wife feeds them all that leftover white bread and the Italian loaves and stuff. I'm gonna do something healthy for this bird. There you go. All right. Don't go running now, you little shithead. Come here. There you go. Let's see how you like the whole wheat healthy stuff. I see. So you like it? All right. Well, guess what? That's the last time you're getting it if you don't leave my damn car alone. How's that? All right, gotta go. Bye. Say goodbye, fucker.